Masterverse New Eternia He-Man figures, Master of the Universe figures. I really like these. Got it for $8 at this place down the road. It's called the Emporium or something. They're all gone now. Unfortunately, I was going to go back and get a couple more. Mortal Kombat Shao Kahn. I know there's been a lot of different customizations for Skeletor. I always thought Shao Kahn, his armor and body would look cool as Skeletor. He could be some henchmen. So what I did was I just did a head swap, put this head on that body, and did some painting. I really like this new Eternia wave because it's more like the classics line that are so expensive that I'm not willing to pay for. I mean, it's tempting, but I can't bring myself to spend $330 for a Merman or a Beastman or a Skeletor. Or at least how much they are now, I don't know. But anyway, I'll show you what can be between these two figures here. I'll show you what we came up with. Alright, here's what I got. Still using the old camera, webcam. I know it focuses in and out, but just for some reason this is a lot more better looking than my camera I just bought for some reason. The colors are just brighter, more vibrant, and it's cheaper than my camera. But anyway, here's what I came up with. I went with a traditional animated Master of the Universe blue Skeletor. Only a couple subtle things on here. This was really fun and quick to do. I decided to paint these purple. It's a dark purple, a little bit of black mixed in, as you can see here, right there. And you can see the difference here. Let's do the reference thing. Apologize for my stupid light camera or light ring, whatever you want to call it, but you can see the difference here, what I changed up. I probably should have taken, let me see if I can switch this, let me see if I can fix this. There we go, that's a little better. Oops. Bear with me here. I know, it's a pain in the ass. Trust me, I know. I was going to take this out of the box and just do a comparison, but I just figured, I don't know, man. I got so many loose figures right now going on my shelves and stuff I got to figure out what to do with, and I just don't, I don't know what I'm going to do. I was going to plan on buying a few more of these as his henchmen. Little army build with these. I think I still might do it. It depends. I might not. I don't know. I keep switching what I want to do. But you can see the difference here. The difference is I went with this is just a black here. This is a purple right here. I know you can't see it on screen, but it's a dark purple. This here, I wish it would show up, but it don't. It's a very dark purple. Extremely dark purple. Yeah, it's not showing up too well, but it's definitely a purple. Back here was just black. It's a purple. I know it looks blue. I know purple. I just did a video when I had to change the hub, the color hub in the settings, because purple turns blue. So these kneecaps look blue, but they're not. They're dark purple. So I know it's kind of a pain in the ass to see, but I guess, I don't know, you get the small idea of it. These are just black. Armbands are black. I did his body in blue. His head, I just did a close up here. What I did with his head was masked it off. Tried as much as I could to match. I know it's a little darker. You know, I wasn't that particular about it, you know. With the armor, silver plated head when it looked like this. You can see the difference here. Let me see. I know it's kind of close and stupid. I know. But see the difference there? Right there. But I do like the body color. The body of the shade. And I like the platinum. I really like the platinum. I was going to go purple with that, but I do like the platinum. What I did do with the sword, it came with the Masters of Universe sword. This here you probably can't tell on camera, but it's a Starburst electric blue. It's space dust airbrush paint. My daughter got it for me for Christmas. Start using some of this stuff. Is kind of cool. It looks, you can see the glitter in it a little bit. I'm trying to use this as Skeletor's, like, this is He-Man's, of course, and one of the He-Mans I'm not using as He-Man's, you know, Grayskull sword. And I know typically Skeletor has one too, part of it that's purple. So I went with the purple sword, and I like how it turned out. I know you kind of can't tell, but it's a really crazy, shiny, bluish purple. That's pretty badass. So that's what I did with the sword. But outside of that, man, this is about it. But I'm really happy how this turned out. I like how he stands there like he's all pissed off. I wish this would show up purple. It's not showing up blue, but it's a deep, dark purple. This here and this here. And I did paint up here. This was red and everything. This was red. This was red. I switched that up, as you can see. But you can see the difference. I think it turned out pretty good. Pretty neat. I know what you're going to say, probably, the hardcore fans out there for Masters of the Universe, and I agree myself that, well, Skeletor doesn't have a neck. Well, in some parallel universe, I think he does, and this one does. So there's nothing I can do about that. I was going to blacken it out, but I don't think it would look good. Here's my custom Beast Man, by the way. And here is the actual Skeletor. He's much taller. I like how tall the Shao Kahn figure is. Much taller. He like towers people, man. He's like, I guess in real life he'd be like 7 foot tall. I was going to give him this. Oh shit. Hold on. I was going to give him this, his staff, but you know, I went with the sword instead. I don't know, I just went with the sword. I just thought the sword was a cool thing, because that's kind of overlooked. That even in the cartoons, you know, it's kind of overlooked that the two parts of He-Man, one part of He-Man's sword and the other part, at least the old school stuff, and one part of Skeletor makes one sword, and you put it in Castle Grayskull, and you turn to be able to open the door. But I really dig this right here, man. It's kind of hard to get in there, but you can get it in there. There you go. Well, there went Skeletor. That version of Skeletor. Anyway, he's over here. Let him lay down for a while since he's tired. But there you go. New Eternia, Shao Kahn, Skeletor. And I already said it, but these new Eternia figures, I really like them. Not the Revelation so much, but the Eternia figures. They're kind of going back to the classics, which I like. I really love the classics, the old school figures. But I like how he towers over everything. I did his feet real quick. Forgot to show the feet. Took my time with the feet and put the straps and everything, man. I just took my time, man. I tried to pay attention, which my camera's not focusing. Alright, doesn't want to focus. Alright, here we go. There we go. The attention to detail. Really slow. Take your time. Take the time, make everything really smooth. But I left the platinum stuff alone, man. I didn't mess with it. Damn, he don't want to stand up, does he? Anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. More videos to come. You guys take it easy.